What's going on, guys, and welcome to our channel, Cool Case Adventures. Your Central Florida family happens to be here at the Disney Grand Californian, and this is basically the day that we checked out. It's a travel day for us. Sadly, we're leaving the Disneyland area, but we're moving to the
Universal Hollywood Studios.
So to Universal
Studios
Hollywood.
I said that wrong.
So basically, we're going to the Hollywood area, where we're gonna be doing some Halloween Horror Nights, visiting Universal Studios Hollywood, doing some family stuff. Unfortunately, we're heading to the last 2 days of our trip.
I was looking forward to going to I was looking forward to going to Universal this entire trip, but the only sad part about it means that it's one of our last days here.
Yeah, exactly. We do love Anaheim. We do love this hotel. We love Disneyland. So we've been having a blast. But anyway, today's a travel day, so it's gonna be a video all over the place of what we're gonna be doing today, including checking in the Hilton Hotel. So that's part of this video. That's what we're staying. Spoiler alert, at the Hilton Hotel, very close to Universal. We still have to do some shopping around here in downtown Disney, and we may end up at Universal Studios later on. Might be a long video, that's what I'm trying to tell you. But anyway, guys, if you enjoy this type of content, Universal Studios, Disney content, and Halloween, we highly suggest that you stick around because we have a bunch to show you. Also, we suggest that you
subscribe and smash that like button
if we're sharing any valuable content with you. Buddy, are you ready?
Yes.
Awesome to say. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go, but wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it. You guys are probably wondering where the girls at. The girls happen to be buying breakfast, because checkout pretty much is at 11 o'clock. It's almost 9:30. We haven't had breakfast. We have a mess over here to clean up.
Yeah.
Comment down below. Are you one of this family that kind of like try to stretch it all the way onto checkout?
And if you guys think that Oogie Boogie does not give you enough candy, let me show you. There's a whole suitcase of candy.
That is just insane.
And you also get chocolates from this hotel.
And we stopped taking candy because it's just like we got way too much.
Yeah, we had backpack full of candy, these bags full of candy.
So chances are we could have got more candy than this, but
we could have.
Anyway, guys, so this is the kind of dilemma that we're dealing with. Khalil and I decided to start the video because we know for sure that once we eat the breakfast in here, we gotta run.
We gotta get out.
So that's what's happening, but the girls will be here soon. This is the hard part. All right.
Are you recording?
I am recording.
Oh.
I forgot you weren't part of the intro.
You know the best one get left out. I don't understand that.
I can guarantee you right now, none of the viewers are like
Heartbroken.
because they miss you in the intro.
No, they know. No, they know.
You know what she's needed for?
What?
Food reviews.
For full reviews.
That's it.
Okay, and that's where they get their great You're welcome.
Parents, comment down below. How do you survive vacation with teenagers? I mean, it's great. It's great to make memories, but
Make it sound hard.
I don't know how Meek is down, but he's too specialized. Sorry. Anyway, we're about to drop off the luggage and go to downtown Disney, because we have to buy a couple of things before we go, and then head to the Hollywood side. This is the part that hurt the most. We love Grand Californian.
Oh, I just hurt my...
Oh jeez, this girl. We love this hotel, guys. It's so nice. Cast members are awesome. It's very convenient. This is basically what we make our home every single year when we come here. One more last time here through downtown Disney. You know why? Because there ain't nothing special about this family.
No.
You know?
No,
Instead of us saying, let's buy some stuff, the days that we were in the park or had nothing to do, we decided to wait until the last minute.
We always wait till last.
Instead of going to Hollywood like we should,
We're never.
we wait until the last minute to just go back to downtown Disney, to Walt Disney, and buy some stuff.
We're normal. We're normal family, just like everybody.
Completely normal family. Nothing wrong with that. That's all I'm saying. I'm not saying it in a bad way. But I want to use this moment to remind everybody, guys. If you are enjoying this content, please smash that like button. Also, consider subscribing to this channel. We got a goal. We got a goal of 6,000. Hopefully, for the next week, maybe 2 to 3 months. Let's hit the 6,000. But we can only do it with your help by just subscribing. Subscribing is free. Alright, heading inside Walt Disney now. It is hot already. Now, can I ask an important question? I know you want something that says Disneyland on it, but why are you trying Spirit jersey when you don't wear Spirit jerseys?
I like the Spirit jersey a lot, and I look good in black, so.
But you know that there's black jackets or hoodie that says Disneyland, right? That you
Why do you
wear
like
more.
to kill my vibe?
Now Kyla has this design jacket
I
on
have
blue.
This, yeah, in blue, and I wear it all the time. And Dad was like, why didn't you bring it in California? I brought a gray one. That's the one, look, that's the one that I have.
The blue one. The blue rather. So legit the blue over there.
So soft. Yeah, they have their sizes.
Yeah, they do have my sizes now. Oh, don't you think I didn't check on that already? Young lady, turn around. Disneyland, established 1955. Yeah, that's a cool jacket.
I have this in blue, but I look better in black.
So if you happen to be in the Walt Disney World area, they do have the same one, but it says Walt Disney World,
But
of course.
this is Disneyland, so it means it's better.
It is Disneyland. Disneyland is a different vibe.
I like this. Here's the problem, though. I think last year I got a medium, but now this is a small. What should I do, Papa?
Small looks fine.
Yo, I tend to wear oversized
He's gonna say
jackets because when it's cold, you have multiple layers on you. Well, do you feel that it's okay, then go for that one.
I need a mirror, guys, to look at myself in
Oh,
the jacket.
dude, this is too much. After about half an hour, the damage is done. We continue to be here. But we got some, cool gear that says Disneyland. Nothing wrong with that. To then go to Universal Studios later on and spend even more money. Hey, we only go to vacations once, okay? It's not like we come to California 3 times a year. And we survived the shopping spree at downtown Disney. Now it's time for us to get all this and move to the next hotel. We just arrived to the Hilton Universal City. Our home for 2 nights. We actually love this hotel a lot. Alright, so we just gotta check in. Hopefully the room will not take that long. We shall see. What floor are we at? 7?
Yeah, it's 769.
Alright, so is it I don't know that we got the same room as last time.
the same corner in the corner.
But was the 7th floor?
It's not the same floor, I don't think, but it's the same room.
You know what? Good thing that we record video for references.
You know what? We gotta go back and check.
Anyway, we're gonna show you guys the room, and
Speed tour.
that way you guys get a speed tour. All right, so this is similar room as what we had the last time. So to show you, there's the door obviously over there,
It's like a little vanity thing here with a mirror.
which
and a
I don't
table.
mind for like luggage and stuff like that.
And you
And what
have
do we
your
got over
closet.
here?
That's a pretty big closet
Oh,
with I'm assuming for people not to bend over. But
yeah,
pretty good.
makes sense.
Makes sense.
Okay.
You have your coffee maker,
You don't have you don't have no Keurig over here.
It's the same thing. Same process.
Some crap.
Yeah.
The bottled water. Is that free?
I think these are. Obviously these are.
Okay.
Unless somebody left them.
That's for the ice over there. The bathroom is a decent size, to be honest with you.
I like this bathroom. It's spacious.
Yeah, we enjoy staying here.
Yeah, this is a really nice freedom.
So,
Hair dryer,
hold
obviously.
on. That will be Kalel's
Throne.
throne. I'm surprised he's not sitting there yet. Well, I told him we had to record, so.
Yes, first. We need another towel.
Yeah, what's up with that? Lately, every time we stay at a hotel, they're doing 2 or 3
yeah, like.
towels, and not 4
And you put,
like I used
you
to.
put 4 in the reservation because I always put all 4 of us. But
Right, so this is a bathtub. You know, regular bathtub. High ceiling, to be honest with you. It's cool.
a natural vanity.
I know you girls love this the last time.
Yes. And Khalil likes that because he likes to look at his fit before he goes
Ah.
out.
He has to make
He
sure
has.
his fit is fitting.
Curls have to be curling and the fit has to be fitting.
Right. I'm moving to this place. You have a kind of like a little bench area over there. Overfill bench. You know, they didn't know probably what to do with that corner, so they
That's a good for luggage. They should have just left it.
left that open, right? So we have a queen size sofa bed over here. That's where the kids sleep.
Yeah.
Then that's the desk that just like last year, I am for sure will not get any sleep. We'll be working hard
And I do.
tonight after we go to Halloween Horror Nights and then
I feel like a billionaire.
future videos. Look at this guy. It's my opportunity to remind you once again, make sure you smash that like button and also subscribe because a lot of hard work goes behind the scenes on this desk while everybody is sleeping.
Yeah.
Including me.
I'm normally working. But anyways,
Someone's gotta edit.
this is a king size bed, which is pretty neat as well.
Lots of little outlets over here.
Yeah,
This.
outlets are a must when you travel with 4 people.
Yeah.
For cell phone, 2 Apple Watches. We need to charge camera, a Garmin watch over there for that one. You gotta charge a computer. You gotta charge headphones. There's a lot of charging going on. A lot of charging. This section you have a little fridge,
Let's see.
very decent size.
And then storage that we really never use.
Yeah, no, we're not gonna do
We
that
work.
for.
We work out of the luggage.
Yeah, not for 2 days. But anyway, we have what is called a corner view.
It's like corner executive view. I think it is.
Yeah, the higher the floor, the better. So like right now, we get to oversee Universal Studios. You know, we kind of requested that. We love doing that. So all that we could do is just see the minion. But we're not high enough to oversee the park. Last year we were higher, way higher than we were able to see. But we were able to see even Waterworld. I remember we were able to see Waterworld. As a matter of fact, last year, or the second day of Halloween Horror Night, I was able to see how long the line was in City Walk.
Oh my god, yeah, I remember
From the room.
We won't be able to do that.
No.
Well, we will unless we go to Mary's room. Going to Mary's room, she's in the
19th floor.
19th floor, so you're going to be able to see a lot.
See everything.
You're probably going to count how many scare actors are out tomorrow from Mary's room.
Yeah.
But we love this kind of rooms over here. It's nice to have this view. It's gonna be hot as heck.
It's already 104 degrees.
Had a great conversation for an hour plus with our Uber
Yeah, you did.
driver. He's super cool. Best
It was nice. It was
driver
lovely.
that I have met so far in any other cities that I have visited. And he was telling me, be ready, because this is what they call the valley.
The valley.
And in the valley, you're away from the ocean. So when it's hot, it gets super hot. And when it gets cold, it's super cold. There's, you know, by the time that we left the car, it was already reading 105 degrees.
Yeah.
And it's only almost 1.
No.
So we definitely have to hydrate. Anyway, so this is the quick room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And we were able to help you.
Hola, bebé.
Alrighty, guys, there you have it from Universal City, the Hilton Hotel, with Universal Studios right behind us. Hope you guys enjoyed this travel video. I know we were all over the place, from the Grand Californian to Disney Springs, all the way here. But hey, we just want to show you guys basically how our travel day goes.
And how our actual lives are, because it's a mess.
Yeah. Like any other family.
Yeah.
But anyway, keep an eye on the other videos. Sadly, this adventure has ended. With that said, we gotta remind everybody:
subscribe,
smash that like button, and turn on the bell for notifications.
Bing, bing, bing. And feel free to comment down below. Always remember to
smile out, be great,
be cool,
and stay awesome. And see you guys next adventure. Bye, guys. Boom.
Boom.
See ya.
Bye.